What's up, beautiful people? Just wanted to make this quick video about NFC tags and digital business cards and how they're just kind of ridiculous what you can do with them. I'm having some crazy ideas now that iOS 13 has come out with this new feature for the iPhone to be able to read NFC tags natively. So you don't have to go into any specific app or you don't have to download anything basically. And I've been like kind of a person that's just been trying to promote like QR codes, but I know that not everybody knows to open certain apps or know that the camera app has a QR code reader. When you see a QR code, it doesn't mean like most people's brains don't click like I'm going to open something up and download that. So NFC has been around for a long time, but it's just starting to become a lot more useful now as devices can natively use this. So I have these tags. I have about like 25 of these little tags that just basically look like pogs, if you know what pogs are. And I definitely got the wrong type of ones because this has no adhesive to it or anything like that. So I just ordered more on Amazon. Basically, the way that you can use this is in some really unique ways. So, for example, I'm using it in some weird way right now, which doesn't look the greatest, but I'm attaching it to a lanyard. So like when I'm at networking events or something like that, I'm just going to pull up my phone here and you can see how this functions. So I got my phone up here and you see that I have the tag, and I'm just going to make myself a little bit bigger as well, just so you can see myself doing this and see how it works on my phone. So got the tag right here. If I had like a sticky NFC tag, I would put it on something like this, and it could be like a postcard or some type of business card. Instead of leaving business cards at a business where people can take your business card and potentially call you, instead you can just leave something like this that stays there forever and you don't need to refill it. And I'll show you how that works. So if somebody goes up to the NFC tag with their phone, they could just tap it, and then a link pops up at the top. They click that link, and then now they're going over to your business card on your phone. It's pretty incredible what you can do with this. You can do so many other things with it. You can connect to a Wi-Fi. You can send a text. You can download somebody's contact immediately. So there's many different use cases with this. But this is just one of them. And then I have this digital business card where it has like my testimonials on here, and people can schedule a meeting with me. And if somebody even just closes this out when I'm in person with them, most of the time what I do with this business card is I just fill in their details in this, and I'm actually able to automatically follow up with them. And it's just a great way that I just keep track of who I'm talking to. And this is just basically I try to use leverage, right? Any type of technology that I can use to leverage to get more business. This is what I like to do. This business card has an incredible referral program on top of it. So if you're interested in that, you just let me know down below. But yeah, I just wanted to show what you can do with NFC tags. And there's just so many possibilities that you can, sorry about that. But there's so many possibilities. So I just want to make this quick video.